Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about while loop in JavaScript. So the syntax of the while loop is, first of all we have the while keyword, and then inside the parenthesis we have the condition, and then inside the curly braces we have the block of code, and the block of code will be executed infinite number of times. So as long as the condition is true, the while loop will continue to iterate and it will repeatedly execute the block of code. And the while loop is used where the number of iteration is not known, and whenever the condition becomes false, then the loop will be terminated. So let's now do one example program. In this example program we are going to print the numbers from 1 to 10 by using the while loop. So first of all we are going to create one variable I with the value 1, and then we are going to have the while loop, and the condition will be I less than equal 10. And inside the loop we are going to console log the string number along with the value of I, and in every iteration we are going to increase the value of I by 1. So here you can see we have one variable I with the initial value 1, and then we have used the while loop where the condition is I less than equal 10. So the loop will continue until the value of I is less than or equal to 10, and in every iteration it will console log the string number along with the value of I, and then the value of I will be increased by 1. So in the first iteration it will print number 1, and in the second iteration the value of I will be increased by 1, so it is going to print number 2, and this way it will continue to iterate and it will print until the number 10. After that the condition will be false and the loop will be terminated. So now I'm gonna save this program. So you can see in the console we have the numbers printed from 1 to 10. So this is the way we can use the while loop, and we can repeatedly execute one piece of code for infinite number of times. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.